For over a century, India's criminal justice system was guided by colonial era laws, the Indian Penal Code, the Criminal Procedure Code, and the Indian Evidence Act. These laws were designed during British rule but to maintain control and authority over the population, rather than to serve justice. Over the years, India amended and modified these laws, but the core framework remained colonial. This creates a growing demand to draft laws that reflects the values, aspirations, and realities of modern India. So now, with introduction of Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita, and Bharatiya Sakshi Adhiniyam, India has taken a historic step towards modern, citizen-centric criminal laws. The focus has shifted now from merely punishing offences to ensuring justice, greater transparency, and victim protection. So now, let's dive into the key highlights of the new laws. Provisions now ensures greater sensitivity towards victim, including protection of their rights and dignity during judicial process. The laws introduce strict timelines for investigations and trials, which aims to reduce the problem of prolonged delays which undermines faith in justice system. Electronic evidences, digital records, and e-FIRs are now recognized, making the process more efficient. Even witness testimonies can be recorded through video conferencing. Specific provisions have been added for crimes that were not adequately covered earlier, such as mob lynching, crime against women and children, terrorism, and organized crime. The earlier laws were more complex and difficult for ordinary citizens to understand. The new laws simplify its language and make it more citizen-friendly. By introducing these three laws, India has moved beyond its colonial framework that shaped its criminal justice system for over a century. Now, the focus has shifted from control to justice, punishment to fairness, delay to timely resolution. These reforms represent not just change in legal text but a transformation of legal philosophy, ensuring that our justice system is modern, inclusive, and truly reflective of independent India's value. This is a significant milestone in our journey towards more efficient, transparent, and citizen-centric justice system.